Question number 16, page 73. Very easy example. You have to apply two formula, sin minus cos t and sin c minus sin d. You will get the answer. Start. Before me, you can solve. I guarantee. Right? Because I have trust in all of you. You are very diligent students, very clever students. Right? So you can finish before me. Okay. So I am writing starting now. Left hand side. This is cos c minus cos t and sin c minus sin d. So cos 9x minus cos 5x whole upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. So cos c minus cos d formula is cos c minus cos d is minus 2. That is the dangerous formula that you know. So minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 and sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Right? So this is the formula which you have to apply to solve this. So applying this formula, your left hand side will be minus 2 times sin c plus d, 9 plus 5, 14 divided by 2 is 7x into sin c minus d, 9 minus 5, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So into sin twice x whole upon sin c minus sin d is this formula 2 cos c plus d, 17 plus 3, 20 divided by 2 is 10x into sin 17 minus 3 is 14 divided by 2 is 7x. So these two sin 7x will be cut. Remaining will be your answer. Nothing to do. Apply only formula. Simple, right? Like dimple. So this is sin twice x whole upon cos 10x. So this is your right hand side and hence this is true. Right? So this is as simple as like a dimple, because if you are smiling there is a dimple in your face. Okay. Next question is question number 17. Is very similar to like this. You have to apply only formula, that is sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Right? This is sin c minus sin d and cos c minus cos d. So another two formula that you know, cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and sin c plus sin d is 2 sin cos, that you know. So apply this formula both, you can simplify, you will get your answer. Same sin c plus sin d, cos c plus cos d, same formula, but remember one thing, keep this larger angle first, this larger angle first. Same formula is applicable, no problem at all. So you will get your answer. Now sin c minus sin d formula, cos c plus cos d formula. So you will get x minus y by 2, x plus y by 2. That's why you will get x minus y by 2, because there is odd terms given. Now here in this, take minus common. This is bigger angle is here and this is small angle. So keep this first. So taking minus common, also take minus common from here, and this is cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta formula. So if you take minus common from here, then this left hand side becomes minus sin 3x minus sin x, right? Whole upon this is minus, this is cos square x minus sin square x. So this is sin c minus sin d formula, this sin c minus sin d formula, and this is cos 2x that you know. So you have to apply numerator formula, and this is formula for cos 2x. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. That is our first formula that you know, right? So solve yourself. If you have any problem, then call me. Okay, so do it. yourself. Question number 21, page 73. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin twice x is equal to cot 3x. So three terms are given in addition, and we have formula for only two terms in addition. So what to do? You can make a pair of any two terms, but what is given, what you want, and what you can. So recalling that we want cot 3x, and this is your cot 3x. So keep these two terms one side, means we combining these two terms and these two terms, right? Got it? Got the idea how to solve? Okay, because we have formula for two term only, sin c plus sin d or cos c plus cos d, either plus either minus, right? Both same required, but here three terms are given. So we want answer cot, and this is our cot 3x. Cos upon sin is cot, so we are keeping this term in numerator side and this side sin 3x as a side. So writing this left hand side, right, and no need to write this term same as you can write by changing. So cos 4 plus cos 2, right? So cos 4x plus cos 2x. This is our pair, and we are keeping these in one side, that is cos 3x. Got it? So this is sin 4x plus sin twice x and plus sin 3x is one side, right? So we have to deal with these two, that is applying cos c plus cos d formula and sin c plus sin d formula. So writing formula, so write down first cos c plus cos d, you know also. So cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and sin c plus sin d. So sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. I don't want to write, but I'm writing. Okay, so applying this formula, no need of me, you can solve independently, right? So cos c plus cos d is, answer will be 2 times cos c plus d by 2, 4 plus 6, 3. 4 plus 2, 6, divided by 2 is 3, right? So this is 2 cos 3x into cos c minus d, 4 minus 2 is 2, divided by 2 is x. So into cos x and plus our sidetrack person cos 3x. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d, 2 sin, 4 plus 2, same answer, no need to sum or add, right? You have to apply only sin and cos. So sin x into cos x and plus this is sin 3x. So taking cos 3x common from numerator and sin 3x from denominator, what we get? Cos 3x from numerator, so 2 cos x plus 1 whole upon sin 3x, so 2 cos x plus 1. So this will be cut, and what is your answer? Cos upon sin. See, sidetrack person आंसर में आ गया है, right? कभी कभी sidetrack भी काम आता है. So this is cot 3x, that is your right hand side, and hence true. है ना easy? Huh? So do it yourself again. Question number 22, page 74. Prove that cot x into cot twice x minus cot twice x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. In this type of sum is given, then what to do? What I told you. Remember, recalling. याद करो मैंने क्या बोला था. क्या करना है, एंगल ढूंढना है। क्या क्या एंगल है, 1 is 2, 1 is x, 2, 3, right? So there is 3, there is twice x, and this is x. So what is the relation between these three angles? So 3x is equal to twice x plus x. Either twice x is equal to 3x minus x. Either x is equal to 3x minus 2x. Right? So there are three methods for you. You have to apply any one of these. Which method you want to apply? First one, then apply first one, right? Then second and third is do it yourself. Because हमें रट्टा नहीं मारना है, हमें conceptually clear करके सीखना है, right? Because maths is a magic, right? So we are applying this formula. So here, this is your hint. It's not hint, but hi auntie sir ऐसा बोलना है आपको. Hi auntie sir. This is hint. Hi auntie, right? Okay, so 3x is twice x plus x. So here 3x is twice x plus x. Now what we require? We require formula of cot. So inserting cot function both sides. So cot 3x is equal to cot twice x plus x. And for formula of cot, you have to remember formula of tan. So what is the formula of tan? So tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b whole upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. And for cot, you have to starting from here, that is cot b cot a minus 1. So cot a plus b is, formula for cot a plus b is cot b cot a minus 1 whole upon cot b plus cot a, cot b plus cot a. So applying this formula, cot 3x is equal to cot 3x is equal to cot a plus b is cot b cot a, that is cot x into cot twice x minus 1 whole upon cot b, b is x, that is cot x plus cot a is cot twice x. Simply cross multiplication, this multiply with this multiply with this, you will get your answer. So multiplying this, cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot twice x is equal to cot twice x into cot x minus 1. Taking this term to left hand side, why we get, I'm making some mistake. So there is some mistake. We have cot 2x minus cot x. So this is minus, this is plus. So there is some mistake in question. Okay, fine. We have cot x into cot 2x. So cot x into cot 2x, and taking this both to right hand side and these two left hand side. Okay, got it. So cot twice x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot twice x is equal to 1, right? Okay, fine. Cot 2x into cot x, fine. So this is your right hand side, that is what you want to prove, right? So do it yourself using this formula, using this concept. You can solve it, you will get same answer. Okay. Question number 23, page 74. Prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. Now we call all formulas of tan. You have formula for tan 2 theta and then tan 3 theta. But this is given 4x. If we double 3, then this becomes 6. So we have to double this 4 as a 2 into 2x, right? So taking left hand side, right? This is your hint. So tan 4x. So can I write like this? Tan 2 into twice x. So 2 into 2, 4, 2 theta. This is our theta. So assume twice x as theta. So this is tan 2 theta, where theta is equal to twice x. Now formula for tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, 2t upon 1 minus t square. This is the formula. So tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is the formula that we have to apply here. Got it? Got the idea? We have formula for tan 2 theta and tan 3 theta only. If we multiply these 2 by 2, then we get 4. And if we want to apply formula 3 theta, then we have to multiply by 2, then 6 becomes. So now we get 4. So it is better to apply tan 2 theta formula. So this is 2 into theta. Theta is twice x. Now tan 2 theta formula is this. So answer will be 2 times tan theta whole upon 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. Now theta is twice x. So replacing theta. So this is equal to 2 times tan twice x whole upon 1 minus tan square twice x. Right? Because theta is equal to twice x. So substituting value of theta. Again, this is tan 2x and we want answer in only terms of x. So we have to apply again a formula for reducing the angle, and reducing the angle formula is 2 becomes 1. So here this 2 becomes 1. Here we have to apply the formula. So applying both formula here. So this is 2 as it is. Formula for this tan 2x is this, that is 2 tan x whole upon 1 minus tan square x whole upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula for this. Now into 1 upon. So I am writing here, this is 1 minus, this is tan 2x whole square. So this is whole square. Are you able to see? Otherwise I am writing here, see here. That is the better thing. So this is, I am writing once again, same step. Okay, I am beginning from here. So this is 2 as it is. So this is 2 as it is. Now applying formula of tan twice x is this, that is 2 tan x. So 2 tan x whole upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula for this numerator. Now in denominator, that is into 1 upon. This is 1 upon. Now I am writing denominator separately, right? 1 minus. This is tan square twice x. That is tan twice x whole square. So tan twice x is this. So this is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay, got it? Once again, 2 as it is, formula of tan x. Right? Denominator I am writing separately into multiply 1 minus tan 2x. So tan 2x formula is this, whole square. So taking LCM, 1 minus tan square x, square is LCM. So this is 2 into 2, that is 4. That is our required 4 tan x. We get 4 tan x. So 4 tan x, we require this term whole upon, this is 1 minus 10 square x will be as it is. Now taking LCM, 1 minus 10 square x whole square is LCM. So denominator of the denominator goes to numerator. So 1 minus 10 square x whole square is the LCM. Right? So this 1 minus 10 square x is multiplied here also. So this upon 1 minus 10 square x whole square is multiplied minus 4 10 square x square of this. So 4 10 square x. Anybody any problem? Right? Now this is 4 10x whole upon 1 minus 10 square x. Now this is 1 minus 10 square x, this is 1 minus 10 square x whole square. So 1 minus 10 square x will be cut. So I am deleting this also. So what we get here? This is 4 10x. So this is 4 10x into 1 minus 10 square x, 4 10x into 1 minus 10 square x. That means our numerator is already done. We did it. Now we have to simplify for denominator only. Right? So while you are solving a big problem like this, then keep your attention on what you have to prove. Right? So now 1 minus 10 square x whole square. So expanding this, 1 minus 2 times 10 square x plus square of this is 10 raised to 4 x, and this is minus 4 times 10 square x. Right? So this is, we require this numerator as it is. So 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x whole upon, this is 1 minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6 10 square x. So 1 minus 6 10 square x and plus 10 raised to 4x plus 10 raised to 4x. So this is your right hand side, and hence this is proved. So this is a nice and good example of application of formula only, right? And this is important question for 2 marks. Okay, so do it yourself again for 2 times, right? You have to. I have a faith in you, I am trust on you, so don't cheat with me. Okay.